There's my zested finger. Ow.
Happy Hanukkah and Merry Christmas to all.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Today is going to be a relaxing day. It's chilly here in South Carolina. We just went to Chili's and now we are settling in for the fireplace. I'm about to pick up more logs to bring inside, and my husband is making his world famous chili, and we're going to settle in and watch the Steelers game. So I'll videotape some of it, but it's right now going to be just a chillaxing day. Our last day, actually. He's got his own sous chef.
I even open cans he's not going to use.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, was that it? Is that good?
That's it.
Oh my gosh. Took a little longer. Woo! Yeah, so this is the crust smushed down from the middle for lemon bars. Ooh, that looks good. Now I'm learning how to make lemon bars. I'm going to show you the recipe and then show you what we have in the oven that we're waiting to finish baking. What spots are for me. And I zested my thumb, so make sure that you don't zest your thumb when you make the recipe. You can probably pause the video in order to get all the instructions. Or just go onto the Food Network and look for the lemon bar recipe. That's easy. And there's what it looks like right now. Stressful game. Oh, come on, no fumble. Game's over, we lost. Good game though. But it's not quite done yet. We have to put in for extra 10 minutes. And our Steelers lost. And I do have a lemon bar injury. I zested my finger. There's my zested finger. Ow. It looks so good. Now we just put a little bit of powdered sugar on it. Now I'm just loosening the edges so that when we go to cut it, it will cut better. We're going to put this in the refrigerator. It's supposed to do it for 2 hours. Don't think we're going to wait that long. Some of the family members wanted it hot. This is going into the fridge for a little bit, but it is very good. I highly recommend that recipe. There you have it. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you aren't part of my wonderful world already. I'm going to sign off because I have to pack for tomorrow morning, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.